Welcome to my channel. I'm driving here in the suburbs of Twin Cities, Minnesota. Hope you're doing well. You're taking care of yourself. I'm going to the car wash. Jamie, if this is the first time for you to visit, you know what to do. Give us a like, subscribe, support the work. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos. You can come back if you're new and watch the playlist. But if you're a subscriber, you already know about the playlists. Thank you for your support. It's a beautiful day to drive here in Minnesota. This is called Shoreview. It's a suburb of Twin Cities. Twin Cities include St. Paul, Minnesota and Minneapolis. I'm just showing you nothing. The woods. Again, really nice day outside. Right now it's 6:58 degrees, I think. Right there. 58 degrees. Just driving and showing you around. I have a Goodwill over there. Sun setting soon. Gas is $2.99. It's gone down a little bit. Small gas station. It's called Marathon. I don't know if you can see the name somewhere. Beautiful sun over there. It's cloudy there. I love it. It's Minnesota. If you don't mind, leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Either the state or the country. I have subscribers from all over the world, including India, Malaysia, the Philippines, Canada, US of course, Sweden, the Netherlands, Holland, which is Netherlands, Ukraine, Russia, China, no, not China, sorry, Ukraine, Argentina, South Africa, Kenya, many different countries of the world. They watch my videos and they are subscribed. So you can subscribe if you want. That's how you support the work. Continue taking care of yourself and staying safe. This is Minnesota Shoreview. Again, it's a suburb of Twin Cities. I'm going to the car wash over here. That's a car wash. Amico gas station. That's Highway 694. That's an entrance. I have membership, so I pay monthly. We'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Peace out.